guys, I'm on my way out to run a few errands this morning because I am going to the Rolling Stones concert tonight, and I'm also going out to dinner, so I want to make sure I get everything I need to take care of done, so I have the rest of the evening to look forward to. So yesterday we went to the library and I picked up a copy of Pachinko, and I started reading it yesterday and I am really enjoying it. And I definitely read Free Food for Billionaires. That's ringing a bell. I'm here in Bath & Body Works, and these candles, I just took a whiff of this one. It smells so good. They also have it as a hand soap. I don't really care for their hand soaps. They always give me hangnails. Let me know in the comments if you find that to be the case too. I just find them on the drying side. But I love the labels. Looks like they're also doing the carton trend. We noticed this last weekend. What was that, in Target? And also somewhere else I went. I'm seeing these a lot. Then you can buy a bottle to dispense. That's nice. This is one of my favorite scents, the warm vanilla sugar. They also have it as a lotion. It's like a nice coconut vanilla aroma. Oh, I didn't know Bath & Body Works has shampoo now. Let me know if you've tried it. Good news, no methyl isothiazolinone. They also have dry shampoo. This can help with hair styling to absorb excess oil, but I wish they gave it a different name because it doesn't actually cleanse. It can lead to an oily buildup if you go too long. That can aggravate dandruff. Ooh, apple. I bet that smells nice. Shampoo and conditioner. I'm here in the J.Crew outlet. They have some cute stuff. Fun sundresses. Oh, I love these shirts. This is like my white one. They're really comfortable. I have one from that Calia brand. Take 50% off. Ooh, I love this sweater. Little buttons. I also have it in white. Well, I got myself some candles, so let's do a little Bath & Body Works candle haul. Why not? Because they had some great scents. So I did, in fact, get this starfruit, what's it called? Starfruit sangria. Oh, I love it. It's like a very nice, fresh, fruity scent of summer. This I can't wait to fire up. I love the pretty label too. Then, speaking of summer scents, had to get this. The sparkling watermelon. Perfect. I put it up so you guys could take a whiff. This is, love it. Can't get enough of that. And how pretty is the label? It's been a while since I've gotten Bath & Body Works candles, but they're usually pretty good. And then this is what set off the, oh, I'm gonna get candles. I was actually over by the body care products and I was like, strawberry pound cake lotion? Let me take a whiff. I put some on my hands. I was like, I love this scent, but I don't want a scented body cream. Let's see if they make it in a candle. And of course they do. It's a really nice strawberry with a little hint of like vanilla cake in the background. Oh, I love it. Summer is practically here. Y'all know me and my candle love, so I wanted to have some scents to fire up for the fiery hot days that are gonna be here. It was a pleasant shopping experience in Bath & Body Works, I must say. Then at J.Crew, I also got myself some little shorts that were on sale for summer. These little chino shorts. So look forward to wearing those. They look super comfortable. I got tan, black, eggshell color. They were like 50% off, but it's a J.Crew factory outlet. So they had pretty good deals because J.Crew is expensive. I mentioned this the other day about how in CVS there were these like kids acting up, and the store manager had to call the cops. Well, as I was walking in Dick's Sporting Goods, you know, as the doors open, there was a cop in there, like patting down this guy who was suspected, I guess, of shoplifting. So it was him and one other guy. He wasn't patting him down, but he was like making him take off his jacket and show him his pockets and everything. So yeah, I didn't want to whip out the camera and be like, hey guys, man. Which is interesting because I was under the impression that if you that shoplifters these days, the employees couldn't say anything, or basically, you know, your hands are tied. The management policies or whatever are such that, isn't that right? That I know a lot of retailers, they basically can't say anything. But I've also heard that they watch back the footage, you know, their camera footage, and they keep a record of the individuals who shoplift, like repeat offenders, and then I think they pounce on them all at once. And I've got my Rolling Stones shirt on to go to the concert. Cauliflower, pickled okra, or stewed okra, stuffed grape leaves, more cauliflower, chickpeas, roasted veggies, different types of salads. Looks good. Alright, just finished dinner, and there's NRG, so I'm going to walk over there for the concert. I have a mint. My Stones t-shirt on. Also have a hat. The strip mall, there is a pho place. I'll have to try. I wonder if they have a vegan option. I'll have to try sometime. And then they have Golden Crust, a Jamaican restaurant, which has vegan options I've always wanted to try. Alright, now to find the seats. There's section 135. I guess Elvis played here in the 70s. concert was amazing. Finished late and I got back really late, so I just crashed as soon as I got home, but I wanted to close out the video. I had an amazing time. The concert was so much fun. Mick Jagger, the Rolling Stones, they can really put on a good show. And yeah, they need to share whatever their anti-aging secrets are, because they have quite a lot of energy and zest for life at the age of 80, I believe, which is amazing. And yeah, I had a ton of fun, except there was drama. Yes, there was drama, and not in a good way. So the man sitting in front of me had too much to wet his whistle in the realm of alcoholic beverages. I'm assuming because he got belligerent with the people in front of him. He got really mad at the lady in front of him for standing up and cheering. Like, buddy, okay, this is a concert. And he like thumped her on the back really hard, and her significant other was like, hey, like, calm down. And like, we're gonna stand up, it's a concert, you know, and the people in front of us are standing up, like everybody in the stadium is standing up, like, what do you want us to do? And he was actually, you know, trying to be polite with the guy, and the guy like started threatening to punch him and everything. And so everybody around me was like pointing at the guy, trying to get the attention of the security, like, get this guy out of here. And the security guard came and like escorted him away from the concert. It's just like, of all of the concerts and things, I would not have expected there to be drama at the Rolling Stones concert. But yeah, it's unfortunate that happened, but once he was taken away, escorted out, shown the door, so to speak, people resumed having a good time. But I felt really bad for that woman, because she didn't deserve that. And she was like visibly taken aback, frightened, and upset by it, because yeah, it was really, really scary. Anyway, other than that, it was a lot of fun. And I also wanted to update you guys, because I purchased this in yesterday's vlog that went up on Saturday, this Waterloo tropical fruit sparkling water. It's really good. It's really good. I've never had the Waterloo brand before, but the tropical fruit flavor is really fruity. I'm like, am I drinking a fruit juice? It is not light. It's really good. It's just water though, no sugar or anything, or artificial sweetener. So yeah, if you like this Waterloo, try this flavor. It's really good. Tropical fruit. Let me know what other flavors are good though, because y'all know I love my drinks, and I'm intrigued to try some other flavors. And it's a Texas drink, even better. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Thank you so much for making it to the end. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.